All right, Jason, you got your box all fixed up here, and this ended up being a little bit more work than I was expecting. Because your connector was the main culprit there. It was all corroded, and I was able to salvage it. Was able to repair the positive pin and get a wire attached to it so we could rebuild that connector. Got everything else soldered and backfilled it with epoxy and hot glue, and so that'll stabilize and protect it from corrosion, etc. So that should not be an issue for you in the future. But here's your box now. It's all dead. Nothing draws power unless you have something plugged into your accessory port and have the switch on. Then you'll have power. But other than that, there's not going to be any power in here drawing your battery down. All it does is just short your coil. So we have it'll still crank with the switch off, so just so you know, that's just turning the coil on. It'll still crank. So if you ever get to where you're cranking and it won't start, check your key, make sure that's in place, or make sure your switch is on. And then your other connector, you don't need it. That went to the servo, and obviously it's not there anymore, so you can disregard that, cut it off, whatever you want to do. I leave it intact in case somebody wanted to dig in there later on and use those wires, because there is a pass-through, because your connector's there and you have this other pigtail down here. You could do something with it if you wanted to put some power back there and use that, but that's an option for you if somebody wanted to dig inside there. So that's why the connector's still left intact, should anybody want to use it. All right, well, there you go. That's the ES-kape control box modification using my cable control conversion kit. There you go.